Hey, do you know why it's so important that we handle our emotions better if we don't want to harm people who can't move for us, either at work or at home? Let me tell you a story first. Let me give you a hint. Imagine that it's 6:30 a.m. and I'm peacefully sleeping. My fingers here show how I feel. And in between my fingers, there's a rubber band, an elastic that could move in and move out. So at 6:30 a.m., I'm peacefully sleeping. I feel really well and relaxed. Now you need to know that at 6:30 is actually the time where I need to wake up. 7:30 a.m., the alarm clock rings and I wake up. How I feel? Oh, tensed. Now I manage to rush, make sure I'm ready, and then I need to find a taxi. Trying once, trying twice, trying three times. I can tell you how I feel not so good. I finally reach the office, open my emails to get a nasty email from my boss. It's not even fair. How do I feel? Worried. Oh, finally, it's lunchtime. I will have my favorite food. Enter the restaurant and they tell me that I have no more of it. Oh, you notice how my rubber band is expanding? And so on and so forth during the whole day until I come home, open the door to find a dirty sock on the floor. What happened then? I cannot stand anymore. Bah! My little boy will remember about that dirty sock because I've exploded so violently. But is it really about a dirty sock? Or is it about everything that kept piling up during the day that I didn't manage to handle properly until the rubber band breaks? Probably more that. This is what we call the rubber band effect. Now, I'm not sharing you that to make you ashamed or guilty, because all human beings go through that. But I want you to know that there are better ways to handle that. We can bring our rubber band back into a more relaxed state where we're more flexible. To know how to do that, you need to equip yourself at a higher level of emotional intelligence. So if you're eager to know how to get there, just click on the link below so that we can help you.